It looks like right now out in Denver. This is our view currently from our camera that's out at City Park. Still kind of gray and wet looking, but not nearly as frightening as it was a few hours ago. Raining for our Viera camera network out in Akron and up in New Raymer, up in northern sections of Weld County. Some pretty good rain coming down in that area. And I want to show you a little time lapse of what the skies look like currently in the Sterling area. Watch that storm coming in. Looks a lot like the one that we just had moving into the Denver area just a couple of hours ago. So we're watching our neighbors on the Northeast Plains. Here's what it looks like on radar. That's the cell that's moving into Sterling, and that actually is part of the same system that rolled through Denver, went up through Weld County, and now it's moving out into Logan County. So it's a very powerful storm system. In the Denver-Greeley area, we still have the heavy rainfall moving to the north of Greeley, but the damage is done there with a lot of flooding. We'll have more on that coming up tonight at 10. And look at this next storm that's coming into Aurora, parts of Centennial, Highlands Ranch as well. Still a rough evening out there. And let's go to Jacqueline Allen for more of a perspective on what happened in Lakewood. Jacqueline.
Well, right now, the Colorado Mills Mall has been evacuated, and here is why. Golf ball-sized hailstorms. Look at these. You can imagine what these would do to the skylights inside the mall. They shattered those skylights. Water came gushing in from the ceiling. The merchandise in the stores was completely waterlogged from what we can tell. They had to evacuate the mall. It's going to be closed for 2 days while they try to assess the damage. It will be closed all day tomorrow as well. They say the damage is extensive, and of course, all the cars in the parking lot were also severely damaged. So that's the story here at Colorado Mills. I'm going to send it over to my colleague, Corey Reppenhagen. He's been chasing this storm all day. Hi, Corey.
Hey, Jacqueline, I'm back in the First Alert Weather Chaser on the road right now. We just had another little stell move into the Deer Trail area, and there were quite a few ground strikes right around my vicinity, so I had to hop back in the truck, and I'm chasing this storm back down. We've got some storms out here to the east and back to the west, just kind of exiting the Denver metro area. This section of I-70 just about an hour and a half ago was covered with about 6 inches of nickel to dime size hail. So we've seen some really impressive storms right now. Now we're moving on to the part of the night where there may be less severe weather, but we'll still have to watch for some street flooding as these storms continue to train up from the south. Reporting in First Alert Weather Chaser, I'm meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen. Back to you guys.
And Corey, nice job out there today. He is located right in here now as he's heading back toward the Denver area, and that's the storm that he's talking about, the thunder and the lightning. This is our lightning strike detecting part of the radar. So what's it look like in Denver currently? Dark and rather gloomy. 52 downtown, 55 at the airport. Notice this, only 0.03 at the airport, but at City Park, over an inch of rain. Rockies tonight, thunderstorms and chilly temperatures dropping into the upper 40s. You want to bundle up and be ready. And the severe weather threat really goes till midnight out across the eastern plains with hail, lightning, and damaging winds. Still a possibility of the tornado threat diminishing. So here's what it looks like tonight. Scattered showers, thunderstorms. This is 8 o'clock, still filling in much of the front range. By the time we get to 10 o'clock, lighter along I-25, stronger storms out on the far eastern plains. After midnight, things quiet down quite a bit as we have just mostly cloudy skies in the morning hours. Low temperatures are going to be upper 40s to low 50s on the plains, 30s primarily in the mountains. Tomorrow morning starts out with a mostly cloudy sky. We'll begin to see a few breaks in the clouds late morning, but then more moisture coming up from the south. And this is a long duration storm, not just tomorrow, but Wednesday and even into early Thursday. Highs tomorrow just in the 60s. That's going to keep the severe weather threat a little bit lower because slightly cooler temperatures. But I want to show you the rainfall forecast through Wednesday. We're talking a couple inches of rain over much of eastern Colorado. Tonight, it's showers and storms and some severe early, 48 for a low. Tomorrow, the high temperature expected to be 65. Afternoon storms likely again. Wednesday is just going to be a wet, rainy, cool day, 55. Morning showers Thursday and 60. Finally, we break out of this Friday, Saturday, 72 on Friday, 80 coming up on Saturday.